In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80072f30. So without any further ado, let's dive then quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to check your internet. So check the internet and see if it's working or see if you are connected into it. Okay? Once you are ensured that you are connected to a better or stable internet connection, and if the error still persists, then you need to navigate to the Start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. So at the settings window, you need to check if you have set the time zone as well as the time automatically. So by that, you need to navigate to the right side and find for the time and language. And after that, proceed to date and time and navigate to the switch corresponding to it and ensure it's being on. Okay? Once done, try to check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the last solution, which is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. Now, this will help you to clear your Microsoft Store cache. Once you are done with this procedure, I want you to restart your PC and check if the Microsoft Store error has been fixed, okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.